One flash, one roar, a force that levels entire cities in seconds, and all of it from just a few kilograms of matter. How is that even possible? Why are nuclear bombs so unbelievably powerful, when they don't even use fire or fuel like traditional weapons? The answer? One single formula, a formula so elegant and so dangerous, it forever changed the world. In this video we'll break down how Einstein's equation unlocked the most devastating power in history, and why it's not about destruction, it's about energy. Let's start simple. E equals sign mc² means energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. This tells us that mass and energy are two sides of the same coin, and since the speed of light is an enormous number, about 300 million meters per second, squaring it turns even the tiniest mass into a mind-blowing amount of energy. This isn't theory, it's reality. Inside every object, every atom, there's energy. It's just, locked away. Nuclear bombs unlock it. There are two ways nuclear bombs release energy. First, fission bombs, like the ones used on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. In these, atoms such as uranium or plutonium are split apart. This process releases energy and extra neutrons, which, sets off a chain reaction. A small amount of mass is lost and, it's converted into an enormous explosion. Second, we have fusion bombs, also known as hydrogen bombs. Here, light atoms like hydrogen fuse together into heavier ones like helium. This process releases even more energy than fission does, and even more mass is converted in the process. Hydrogen bombs can be up to 1,000 times more powerful than fission bombs. Both types of bombs rely on Einstein's famous formula at their core. Without E equals mc², neither of these weapons would exist. Nuclear bombs aren't just, big bombs. They're physics turned into fire. The blast is the result of converting mass into pure energy, instantly. That energy takes several forms. Thermal radiation, which is this intense heat, enough to melt buildings, blast pressure, a shock wave that just flattens everything, ionizing radiation, deadly waves that damage DNA, and an electromagnetic pulse capable of disabling electronics. All of it, from splitting or fusing atoms, all of it powered by a formula written on a chalkboard in 1905. Einstein himself wasn't a fan of war. He didn't invent the bomb, but his theory enabled it. Ironically, he even signed a letter urging the United States to develop the bomb, only to later regret it. Because science doesn't choose sides, it only reveals truths. It's up to humans to decide how to use them, and we chose to turn mass into destruction. But that same principle, mass to energy, also powers the sun, nuclear reactors, space exploration, cancer treatments, and fusion energy research. It's not the formula that's dangerous, it's the choice. Absolutely. The same physics that devastates cities can also power them. Nuclear fusion, the clean reaction that powers the sun, is now being researched to create safe, sustainable energy on Earth. And when we understand how mass becomes energy, we unlock new ways to fuel civilization. From one tiny equation, we can destroy or transform. It's not about fear, it's about responsibility. So why are nuclear bombs so powerful? Because they tap into the most fundamental truth of the universe. Mass is energy. And when that energy is released all at once, it becomes the most powerful force we've ever witnessed. A single equation, E equals mc², made it possible, not to destroy the world, but to show us how powerful nature really is. The formula is still the same. The question is, what will we do with it?